In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the common USB can't open problem and other USB-related errors in just a few simple steps. Whether your drive won't open, isn't detected, or keeps giving random errors, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in and get your USB working again. Go to website and type Rufus download. Download the latest version. Open downloaded file. Insert your USB and select. Choose non-bootable. And click Start. Done. Now you can use your USB again without any errors.